Muhammad Akram Sheikh, born in Burewala, start his career in District Bar Sahiwal, 1973. Asrarul Haq Mia, 3 times member of the Pakistan Bar Council, twice as President Lahore High Court Bar Association. Alabaksh Kareem Baksh Baruri, politician and lawyer from Shikarpur, Sindh. Chaudhry Aitazaz Ahsan, 2 times Leader of the House in the Senate of Pakistan from 1994 to 97 and 2012 to 2015. Abdul Ghafoor Burgi, lawyer, writer and politician from Larkana, Sindh. Fakhruddin G. Ibrahim, judge and a legal expert, Chief Election Commissioner 2012 to 2013. Zahiruddin Babar Awan, politician, lawyer, author, analyst and columnist. Hamid Khan, lawyer, writer, politician, Supreme Court lawyer, Senior Vice President of PTI. Khalid Ranjha, politician, Law Minister of Pakistan in 2002. Liaquat Ali Khan, Qaid-e-Millat, Shaheed-e-Millat, founding father of Pakistan, political theorist, first finance minister, prime minister. Muhammad Latif Khosa, Governor of Punjab, PPP, Attorney General of Pakistan, Chief Election Commissioner, Pakistan Bar Council. मज़ीद इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस, लाइफ चेंजिंग स्टोरीज, एजुकेशन और वायरल पोएट्री के लिए पाकपीडिया को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें।